motor, they never come watch my thing. They small. Yeah, boy. Why are these motor get like? That's why I tell you. I be telling you, go tell me what you do. Man, I think that's it. But if I go tell me what you do, then I tell you what you do to me. You only papa I go watch and give me what me. Now just put me in the back and do that way. So, but I do jump for this and I do. You know what you do. Eh? See some yes for anything. See, never say me want motor. One motor finish. See Baba, look out. See Baba I got dirty. See, clean Baba. Yes, go wash am. Then you go back here, small fire. I will pack all of them, say me fire. If you not do one, you not eat it today. Then go. Then go one.
Let me message I call you. I can't take everywhere. I can't call me. I don't like that. What motor? No kind motor. What motor?
You think they're wise? You are a mumu man.
Be all this one. You say me they wash motor, it be all this one. And so food all these boys call they shop for this thing. You understand? Now they work. Abi? Where these boys? Senior boy! All these boys, this motor not clear at all. And so food they want to shop for this thing.
Chairman.
Who wash this motor? See, you know they see who wash motor, we wash 3 tire and they leave one.
How? Na life boy go be o.
Why they do this kind of thing? I try cycle where they drive. You wash 3 tire. I mean, go call and come. Which rubbish do this one?
Like this now, this.
Now shop because they shop for this station. What way they say you not do? Why you wash 3 tire and leave one? You the place? Now so shop you the shop where?
Stop and leave one.
Don't be too slow. Don't worry. For punishment, you don't go shop. You go to that fast. Get up from
Me